Happy Thursday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood down below. Say hi, say hello. My mood is determined. I'm feeling determined. I'm working on a new campaign, so I've been creating a series of videos, and I'm launching my first, I don't know what other people are doing, but I'm launching my first miniCourse. So, you know, they have e-courses for the emails, and so I'm launching my first mobile course where you'll get a series of videos right into your cell phone over a couple days. I'm really excited about that. It's a new marketing campaign that I'm going to test out and see how it goes. I'm excited because I know the potential. I can do so many different things with it. And also, it's a great way, I think, in creating a relationship and nurturing an experience with someone who doesn't know me, and also providing value and not overwhelming them. That way they get to experience me in consumable bites. I like to say in real estate bites. Oh, that's what I'm going to call it. My real estate bites, because I had logged that in on Instagram. I logged in that count. Real estate bites, real estate BYTES, real estate bites, which is what I'm going to call it. Yo, that's awesome. So my real estate Moby course is going to be called Real Estate Bites. Ah, genius. Okay. You guys totally witnessed the evolution of this idea right here. Normally it is happening right here. It's normally happening in this journal. You guys got to experience that how in real life. So if it resonates with you, please feel free to subscribe and get connected. Oh, speaking of subscriptions. Okay, well, let me scale back. All right. Hi, hello. My name's Puerto, also known as Super Agent, active California licensed real estate professional and creator and founder of many cool things. And more importantly, I teach children real estate literacy ages 11 and up. Want to learn more about what I'm creating? Webinars, workshops, books, courses, curriculums, summits, conferences, and now e-courses, and now a Moby course coming to your mobile phone soon. So Real Estate Bites are the real estate Moby courses that will be coming to your cell phone, where you could learn this directly from me. You don't have to go through YouTube and nothing like that, because that's what I've been seeing. You know, it's like, go here to get it, go there to get it, no, I just, what if I just bring it right to your phone, but you got to subscribe. Okay, with that being said, super exciting about, oh my God, I'm super excited about that. With that being said, I do want to invite you to rock with me as a loyal supporter. I want to say thank you and kudos to you and supreme and superior gratitude for supporting me. Because I'm offering so much content, I want to do something special for those who have been loyal supporters. And for $5 a month, you have access to the entire library. So that means the webinars, workshops, and things that I'm doing that I normally charge anywhere from $15 to $35. You now have access to it for $5 a month as a continued supporter, and you get discounts on the entire site, past, present, and future, whatever I create. As long as you're a loyal supporter, you have access to a savings. I will issue you a coupon code in your welcome email that you can use on the entire site, and you have access to live videos. And I think as a freebie, I'm going to build in there that you get a Moby course too. So you just got to let me know what you want it on. Would you want it like on personal development, or would you want it more on the real estate stuff? Because they go hand in hand. So you let me know, because I'm completely open-minded about that. I'm really excited too. Okay, with that being said, we are continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto, Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And I'm going to caption this episode 170, heart tone. Like the tone of your heart? Heart tone. I'm in the section where he says, speak from a pure heart, and what you say will undoubtedly speak for itself. He says, whenever you speak to a group, leave your head at home and speak from the heart. Go ahead and type in the comments, speak from my heart. He says, ever go watch someone speak only to leave underwhelmed or under-inspired, and the feeling perhaps overpaid, even if the event was free? Wow. He says, the reason for this is basic. Most talks are people just saying words. I don't want to be saying words, y'all. This is why I'm devising a way to create exclusive access for those of you who are really supporting and been supporting me for years. Before I started to do this format and podcasting, I was up in the mountains and I had my camera and I was doing videos. And those of you who remember me, like, this is what I'm offering exclusively just for you. Because as I grow, we grow together. And that energy is amazing. So he says, most talks are people just saying words, focusing on giving the appropriate hand gestures, making the right amount of eye contact, walking to the left and the right, and delivering on speech 101. Perfectly polished is what he calls it. He says that type of speaking is dying slowly, as is data regurgitation and slick delivery. It is so funny because we're now starting to see through the people that are just regurgitating and mimicking. Everyone's a speaker, right? Everyone's so important with what they're learning. Everyone's, going through Toastmasters, and I'm not knocking it. I just feel like if it's not really your gift, because there's a gift to speak life into people versus you feeling like I just want to talk about a subject over and over. We call those packaged speeches. But would you be able to ad-lib, like on the spot? Would you be able to really just create transformation on the spot? That is a gift. That is a gift, I think. I might hurt some feelings, but hey, this is about full transparency. Not everybody can do that. And this is why they have levels of tiers. Everyone has their dream, and I get it. I'm not knocking dreamers, but also there's that thing called talent and gifts. Like, I wouldn't pursue playing basketball because I know that there were people far more talented than me. I played basketball for years, but I didn't pursue it professionally because that's not where my gift was. He says it's about the authenticity of our heart and how much we truly care. Type in the comments, truly care for the audience that sits before us. That's you. He says transformational communicators are those who are clear about what they are committed to cause in the hearts and minds of their audience. Specifically, you heard that? He said transformational communicators are clear. They're clear on what they are seeking to create. Impact speakers is what they are also known as. He says they stand for transformation, believing that their heart will do a great work regardless of the infamous voice inside their head has to say. He says their commitment to facilitate growth with their audience drives their focus away from themselves to those who have committed their precious time to come, to learn, and to grow. That resonates wholeheartedly with me because, some of you saw me tired one night and saw me committed and said it's okay, Lisa, to be tired. And I love you for that. I love you for that because you're honoring the human in me. And these messages are resonating with you because that's what it's about. It's truly about personal development. I'm not on here because I'm per se getting paid to do it. This is me genuinely doing it because this is what I actively do in my life and I feel we can do it together. He says the net effect, the speaker and the nerves reduced to an appropriate size, authenticity shows up loud and clear. Lives are radically touched and transformed, walls are torn down, and value gets delivered to everyone, including the speaker. All right, as we get ready to wrap this up, I invite you to pay attention to your heart tone. Pay attention to your heart tone. What is the tone of your heart when you're communicating? Think transformation, because when you impact, you are therefore impacted. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day.